Coaster Crusader.
Make sure all of those are boarding first and choose a seat on the left-hand side. Again, please make sure all of those are boarding first and choose a seat on the left-hand side. Also, all the articles such as hats, cell phones, towels, bags, cameras, and/or bottles need to be off the right and into a cubby. Thank you.
Okay, hey guys, look. Hey guys, hands up.
I forgot, it goes between their legs. Coaster Crusader.
Ginger, you right?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, superheroes! We are cleared for kickoff!
Oh my god, look, there he is, everyone. On the left, it's Sag. Some of the tires weren't spinning. What the heck? Here we go. Another helix.